and continuously talk for over an hour. One of the last things on my list of resources. But yes, you happen to be in Janki Devi Memorial College. Janki Devi Memorial College happens to be a part of a university called Delhi University. And Delhi University happens to be one of the thousands of universities in the country. However, happens to be the best university in the country. And you happen to be a part of that university, which is the best university in the country. आपने 50% जंग जीत ली है. You are already there. Irrespective of what your impression of the college is, what the placements are like, what the faculty members are like, what your friends are like. In fact, you haven't even gone to your college yet, but you will experience the life of a Delhi University college sometime very soon once college is reopened. And whether you like it or not, चाहे आपको वो wooden chair अच्छी लगे या ना लगे, चाहे आपको college में घूमते हुए वो छोटे-छोटे puppies और cats अच्छे लगे या ना लगे, you are still in one of the best colleges of the country. And this is where it means that you have won 50% of the battle. आपने कुछ महीने पहले अपने बोर्ड के रिजल्ट्स देखे, 92, 93 के नीचे किसी के आए नहीं होंगे. You are there. You are already there. You have put in that effort and you are 50% there. Why have you joined college? हम college क्यों जाते हैं? सीखने के लिए, समझने के लिए, क्लासेस अटेंड करने के लिए? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. हम जाते हैं एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. We need to grow as individuals. And after 3 years, we would want to sit for campus placements. We would want to get into good internships. We would want to get placed in a good reputed organization, company, somewhere in the country, probably your own city, a different city, and do well in life and kickstart our career. ये intention होता है हमारा. I'm sure सबका होगा कि job लेनी है, placements कैसी हैं, to train ourselves, to work on ourselves, कि marks अच्छे आने चाहिए, 8 CGPA आना चाहिए, 9 CGPA आना चाहिए. सीए के लिए तैयारी करनी, सीएफए के लिए तैयारी करनी, यूपीएससी के लिए तैयारी करनी है. सबके डिफरेंट प्लान्स होते हैं. हाउएवर, ये प्लान सबके एग्जीक्यूट इन 3 साल में ही होते हैं. सो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट that since you have won the 50% battle, the remaining 50% is what you will be working on in the next 3 years. And ये जो 3 साल है, जितना आपको लंबा लग रहा है उतनी ही जल्दी निकलने भी वाला है. Your seniors will tell you how 2021 has been and how quickly 2019, 20 and 21 have gone by. So जितनी जल्दी, जितना ज्यादा आपको ये लग रहा है कि 3 साल बहुत टाइम है, 1000 दिन से ऊपर है, उतनी जल्दी 1000 दिन निकलने भी वाले हैं. So it's important that you realize that you have that time to make a difference. Right now, I happen to be a part of the same university. I am a product of Delhi University as well. So मैं कोई एक foreign alien नहीं हूँ जो आके आपको ज्ञान दे रहा है. Without knowing what Delhi University is like, I know exactly how it looks. I was in South Campus. I was also part of my college societies, my commerce society to be precise. I'm assuming that there are a lot of BCom honors students here. I also did BCom honors. So I know exactly what the system is and how it works. So I'm not a foreign alien. And मैं बातें बना के नहीं बता रहा हूँ, मैं grassroots level पे ही बता रहा हूँ. In the last 8 to 10 odd months, I've conducted close to 80 plus sessions across the country with colleges and universities, and I've interacted with the student community, जिसका आप एक हिस्सा हो, at a very close level, in a very close manner, and I've understood the problems. I've understood where it comes from. So I will be talking to you about certain things from your perspective and how things should be evolving for you. मैंने सेशन के पहले आपको ये बताया था, 3 साल बाद हम कैंपस प्लेसमेंट्स के लिए बैठना चाहते हैं. हम जिंदगी में कुछ करना चाहते हैं, हायर एजुकेशन को देखते हैं. वी वांट टू गेट इनटू अ गुड कंपनी, गेट सेटल्ड, पेरेंट्स का नाम रोशन करो, सेटल हो जाओ, एंड देन प्रॉब्ली इवन लुक फॉर हायर एजुकेशन एंड देन गेट सेटल्ड इन लाइफ. ये सबके एम होते हैं, ये सबका एक प्लान होता है. अभी आप लोग स्कूल से बाहर निकले हो एंड आपको घर से भी यही बताया जाएगा दैट पढ़ाई करनी है, अच्छा से करना है. दिस इज हाउ इट्स गोइंग टू वर्क. योर फैकल्टी मेंबर्स विल आल्सो बी टेलिंग यू दैट. हाउएवर, इस भ्रम को मैं अब तोड़ने वाला हूँ. This is a misconception that over the next 3 years or 3 years of college life, you only have to study and get good grades. This is not what college life is for. College life is to explore yourself, is meant to explore yourself. It's to try new opportunities. It's to interact with people. It's to get into your college societies. It's to experience social work. It's to get into those internships. It's about doing those certification courses. It's about interacting with people from other colleges and other universities. Everything and anything outside the classroom. क्लासरूम से बाहर निकल के जितना कुछ आप एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हो, that is what is going to make you the person you will be after 3 years, not by sitting inside the classroom. आप लोग हालांकि अभी तक आप वो फिजिकल क्लासरूम में अभी तक नहीं गए हो, but so far I'm sure that you would have created your WhatsApp groups and assignments के बारे में बातचीत शुरू हो गई होगी, exams के बारे में बातचीत शुरू हो गई होगी. You would have made those small little groups of yours. This is how college life works. However, just because we are in an online system, we cannot experience the physical interaction, does not mean that you will lose out on this time by not doing anything extra. The COVID scenario, the fact that we are working from home, studying from home, has told us, has given us that reality check that दुनिया में बहुत कुछ है करने के लिए, ना कि सिर्फ उस क्लासरूम में पढ़ाई करना. There are people just like you. This happens to be my 12th session, the new chapter, a fresh talk with the freshers, जो आपने पोस्टर भी देखा होगा, जिस पे आपने अप्लाई भी किया होगा. This is the 12th session. This is not the first session, and I've interacted with a lot of colleges and with the first year students who are also doing the same programs of Delhi University. So you are just another drop in the ocean. You are just another brick in the wall. आप उसी कैटेगरी के लोग हो, आप उसी बैच के लोग हो, the first years who've just given their boards, gotten the results, and have gotten placed into different colleges. It's your perception, it's your attitude which is going to differentiate. अगर आप किसी और से बेटर अगले 3 साल में परफॉर्म करते हो, अपने आप को एक्सप्लोर करते हो, you understand new opportunities, you get into better internships, you are able to explore and develop your own personality in a better way, you win. And that is what you have to do. I'm not saying that it's a rat race, definitely not. But let me tell you, the competition is insane right now. You know the job scenario, you know how recruitments are happening. Let me give you a reality check on that as well. I'll give an example. There are a lot of companies which primarily recruit from Delhi University. वो प्लेसमेंट्स लेते हैं, a lot of colleges, JDMC में भी आते हैं, और भी दूसरे कॉलेजेस में आते हैं, एंड उनका टारगेट होता है 300, 400, 500 स्टूडेंट्स को हायर करना. चाहे वो आपके कॉलेज से कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो 2 या 4 कॉलेजेस को मिला के 300-400 लोगों को हायर कर रहे हैं, बट वो इस नंबर को हायर करते हैं, 300, 400, 500 के स्ट्रेंथ को हायर करते हैं एवरी ईयर. नाउ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज दैट रिक्रूटमेंट इज हैपनिंग, हायरिंग अभी भी हो रही है, लेकिन वो जो 300, 400, 500 का नंबर है, वो आज के डेट में 50 से 100 के बीच में रह गया है. ज्यादा से ज्यादा 120, 130. लेकिन आपके बैच स्ट्रेंथ, आप जो 150 का बैच हो, वो अभी भी 150 का बैच है. So the demand has reduced and the supply has increased. So what the recruiter today is going to be looking at are those people who are corporate ready, जिनके ऊपर 50% चांस नहीं लेने वाले, वो people who are short going to be selected, who have actually done something in life, जो अपने कॉलेज के 3 सालों में corporate ready बने हैं. क्योंकि जब आप इंटरव्यू दोगे, रिमेंबर, आप अपने कॉलेज के आखिरी दिन पे इंटरव्यू नहीं दोगे, आप अपने 3rd ईयर के पहले सेमेस्टर से देना शुरू कर दोगे. So from your 5th semester onwards, you will start actually sitting for placements in college. So आपके पास 2 साल हैं, लगभग 3 साल भी नहीं है. So जिन बच्चों ने 2 सालों में कॉलेज के लाइफ में कुछ किया है, एक्सप्लोर किया है, इंटर्नशिप्स में पार्टिसिपेट किया है, they have developed as an individual, they have developed that strong personality as a woman who can work in an organization, who can be a part of a team. क्योंकि आपको कंपनी के अंदर एक कोने में एक डेस्क पे एक लैपटॉप पे नहीं बिठाया जाएगा और बोला जाएगा कि सुबह से शाम तक काम करिए, बीच में 1 घंटे का लंच ब्रेक लीजिए और घर जाइए. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. You will be in a team. You will be surrounded by people. You will have a boss to lead. You will have a team to manage. You will have seniors to report to. You will have deadlines. You will have tasks. You will have to work overtime. You will have to manage work-life balance. So all of these things are going to be there, and the recruiter is going to be looking for that. हालांकि आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, आपने अभी तक काम नहीं किया है, लेकिन आप अपने कॉलेज सोसाइटीज के थ्रू एक्सपीरियंस लेंगे, आप अपने इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटीज के थ्रू इंटर्नशिप लेंगे, आप अपने एक्सपीरियंस लेंगे, आप अपने सोशल वर्क के थ्रू एक्सपीरियंस लेंगे, एंड यही चीज एक रिक्रूटर 2.5 साल बाद आप में देखेगा. So when I say that the demand for students has reduced and the supply remains the same, this is where competition lies. So if you want to sit, I'm just giving one perspective, if you are looking at a good job in a good company 3 years down the line after completing your program, the competition is insane. You have to develop as an individual. How do you develop? Through those internship programs, through those certification programs, through those college societies that you're a part of. Why? क्योंकि इस कॉलेज सोसाइटी में, इस इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम में आपको एक कोना नहीं दिया जाएगा. यू विल बी इन अ टीम, यू विल बी अराउंड पीपल. आपके पास एक सीनियर होगा जिसके साथ आप रोज बात करोगे. एक प्लेसमेंट सेल या एक किसी भी सोसाइटी का एग्जांपल लूं, देयर इज अ प्रेसिडेंट, चीफ कोऑर्डिनेटर, देयर इज अ टीम, जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी, ट्रेजरर, मीडिया हेड, पब्लिक रिलेशन, फाइनेंस, ट्रेजरर, बहुत सारे पोजीशंस होते हैं. एंड देन यू हैव मेंबर्स. दिस इज नथिंग बट एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्ट्रक्चर. जिसने कॉमर्स पढ़ी होगी क्लास 11 12th में, वो इंसान बता सकता है. दिस इज नथिंग बट एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्ट्रक्चर. You will be given tasks, you will be handling events, you will be managing finances, you will be dealing with college societies, college authorities, and some college authorities can be really nasty. I see a few smiles, but I'm not going to be talking about that. What I basically mean to say is that it's important that you understand that your learning starts from day one. मैंने day one की बात करी and बहुत लोगों ने अपने cameras को बंद कर दिया है. Excellent. We have 219 people now and I see only 5 people. This is not happening. I'll just request everybody to turn their cameras back on. Great. So when I talk about understanding and getting that experience from college societies, from those internship opportunities, how do you do it? अब ये सवाल आएगा कि सर आपने बता तो दिया, easier said than done. How do we actually find these internships? How do we actually find these certification programs? अब आपके WhatsApp groups में I am assuming कि अभी तक बहुत सारे इंटर्नशिप्स के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटीज आ चुकी हैं. व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस आ गए होंगे, पोस्टर्स आ गए होंगे कि इस चीज में अप्लाई कर लीजिए, यू विल बी गेटिंग एन LOR. आए हैं? कैन समबडी गिव मी अ थम्स अप या एक नॉड कर सकते हो कि क्लास ग्रुप्स में आए होंगे ऐसी चीजें?
Yeah, exactly. Even I want to know who hasn't received the internship messages yet. It's a good question, sir. Yeah, one thumbs up.
मैं डबल एजेड स्वॉर्ड है ये.
Yeah.
एक तीर से दो निशान, हमको पता भी चल जाएगा किसको मिला किसको नहीं.
Exactly.
So a lot of people are giving me thumbs up. नहीं, मुझे
Okay.
2-4 दिखे हैं
आया है?
जिन लोगों ने भेजा. हाँ जी, बिल्कुल भेजा है. They're also nodding as well. So those internships are already there. You will be bombarded with internship opportunities. लेकिन कौन से internship को आपको लेना है? I need you to be careful about a few things. One of the internship opportunities which you will be getting on a regular basis will be digital marketing internships or social media marketing internships. जहाँ पे आपको ये चीज बताई जाएगी that you can make quick money, you can get that working experience and a letter of recommendation. ये 3 चीजें एक फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट यानी कि आपके लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है. ये ओ माय गॉड, लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के अंदर, क्विक मनी, 10,000 rupees in 10 days. Okay. Work experience मिल रहा है मुझे internship में. These are heavy words and you will be thrown such words and such opportunities on a regular basis and I need you to be very, very careful about these things. अगर किसी को भी किसी भी किस्म की प्रॉब्लम होगी, please unmute yourself or drop me a question in the chat box. I will be answering all your questions. We are on the same side and we are here to help each other. So you will be shown these kind of internship opportunities and बहुत सारे problems आपको बहुत सारे internships के offers आपके पास आएंगे. Be very careful for which one you apply for. What is it that you look at? You look at the roles and responsibilities. You look at the work that you have to do there. आपसे वहां पे काम क्या करवाया जाएगा? क्या डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का मतलब है फॉलोअर्स इंस्टाग्राम पे लेकर आना? क्या उसका मतलब है यूट्यूब पे सब्सक्राइबर्स बढ़ाना? That is not digital marketing. This is just one of them. Sales. क्या आपको वो एक 2 या 3 पैकेजेस बेचने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, आपको बोल रहे हैं कि अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी इस चीज में एनरोल करवाओ या उनको इन पैकेजेस को बेचो? Avoid these things because this is not what sales and marketing is all about. It's actually much more than that. Marketing is actually planning 10 different verticals. Digital marketing में, in fact, any form of marketing today is digital marketing. हम घर पे बैठे हुए अपने इंटरनेट, फोन और लैपटॉप का यूज कर रहे हैं. So anything to do with marketing is digital marketing. लेकिन digital marketing में 10 verticals होते हैं. To name a few, social media marketing is just one vertical of it. Social media marketing के अंदर भी आपका Instagram, Facebook, Twitter marketing. There's email marketing. there's SMS marketing, there's search engine optimization. There are so many verticals under the word digital marketing. So are you working on just Instagram followers, or are you actually getting the exposure to understand SEO, brand marketing, content marketing, your influencer marketing? Are you getting to strategize for the company? आपका वहां पे काम क्या होगा? That is what you have to look for. अगर आपको वो sensible लगता है, if you think that yes, this is something that I would be interested in doing, go for it. All right, I have a question in the chat box. It says, yes, the internships are coming, and the moment we join it, we are supposed to bring followers. This is one message that I've got in the chat box. I am assuming कि अगर ये एक स्टूडेंट के साथ हुआ है तो ये और भी स्टूडेंट के साथ हुआ होगा, एंड ये चीज होती है. फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स को पहले ही टारगेट किया जाता है बिकॉज यू आर नाइव एंड आपको अभी आप सिस्टम में आ रहे हो, आपको नहीं है उतनी समझ, एंड दिस इज हाउ इट हैपेंस. सो बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट दैट. ऑल्सो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट दैट ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस you get into college societies. College societies में तो आना ही आना है. You have to be a part of a college society, and not just one, at least two. Which are those college societies? Now, just to differentiate, one is a technical or a department society, and the second form of a college society are your social clubs, your social societies. Social clubs का ये मतलब है कनेक्टिंग ड्रीम्स फाउंडेशन, एनएसएस, रोट्रैक्ट, ऐसे नाम हो सकता है कि आपको अभी तक सुनने को मिले होंगे. इनएक्टर्स तो आई एम श्योर आपके पास है ही, इनएक्टर्स जेडीएमसी है, कनेक्टिंग ड्रीम्स फाउंडेशन आई डोंट नो इफ यू हैव और नॉट, एनएसएस तो आई एम श्योर होगा ही होगा. सो सोशल वर्क में पार्टिसिपेट करना उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंट है जितना आपके टेक्निकल एंड डिपार्टमेंट सोसाइटीज हैं, जैसे कि डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कॉमर्स, इकोनॉमिक सोसाइटी, फाइनेंस सोसाइटी, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप सेल, placement and training cell. These are technical and department societies. So one department technical society and one social club are essential. Why? I'll tell you now. When you sit for your campus placements, as in your 5th semester, 6th semester, in your last year, the recruiter is going to be coming to the organization. I'll tell you what the process is going to be like. आपके पास एक WhatsApp ग्रुप पे और वाया ईमेल आपको एक जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन भेजा जाएगा. उसके अंदर जो कंपनी आ रही है रिक्रूटमेंट के लिए उसके बारे में कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन होगी, वो किस पोजीशन के लिए हायर कर रही है, उस पोजीशन में आपको काम क्या करना होगा, रोल्स और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, उसका क्राइटेरिया. कई ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस क्राइटेरिया रखते हैं कि मुझे इसी कोर्स, इसी प्रोग्राम, इसी डिग्री के स्टूडेंट्स चाहिए एंड उनके पास कोई बैकलॉग नहीं होना चाहिए एंड 7-8 सीजीपीए होनी चाहिए. सो दैट क्राइटेरिया विल बी सेंट टू यू, लोकेशन, सैलरी एंड एन एप्लीकेशन लिंक. उस एप्लीकेशन लिंक पे आप क्लिक करेंगे, आप अपना डिटेल भरेंगे, रेज्यूमे अपलोड करेंगे एंड उसके बाद कॉलेज में कंपनी आएगी, आपको शॉर्टलिस्ट करेगी. देयर विल फर्स्ट बी अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन, यू विल बी डिवाइडेड इनटू ग्रुप्स. ग्रुप डिस्कशन होगा, हो सकता है कि एक टेक्निकल राउंड भी हो एंड उसके बाद पर्सनल इंटरव्यू. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट एन ऑर्डिनरी एवरेज प्लेसमेंट लुक्स लाइक. नाउ व्हेन यू एक्चुअली सिट फॉर अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन, द रिक्रूटर इज सिटिंग राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एंड यू आर सिटिंग अमंगस्ट 10 or 12 people. स्टूडेंट्स, आप ये क्लासमेट्स होंगे, हो सकता है कि कुछ और बैचेस से हो, कुछ और ग्रुप से हो, बट होंगे आप ही के कॉलेज से. दे विल बी कमिंग, दे विल बी सिटिंग, यू विल बी गिवन अ टॉपिक एंड यू विल बी टॉकिंग एंड डिस्कसिंग ऑन दैट टॉपिक. अब वहां पे रिक्रूटर क्या देखने वाला है? योर कॉन्फिडेंस, द कंफर्ट और द ईज विद विच यू आर टॉकिंग, कितनी आसानी से आप बात कर पा रहे हो. योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज, आप बैठे किस तरीके से हो, आपने जो कपड़े पहने हैं किस कंफर्ट लेवल के साथ आपने पहने हैं, आर यू वेयरिंग द राइट अटायर, and your leadership qualities. This is what is going to be judged by that recruiter who's going to be coming. After that, you will be shortlisted for a final interview. उस final interview में आपके resume के ऊपर बहुत सवाल जवाब होंगे. What is it that the recruiter is going to be asking you? What is it that you have done in the last 3 years? If I am coming to your college in 2022 or 2023, September, August, whenever, and if I'm asking you कि आपने पिछले 2.5 साल में क्या किया है कॉलेज में, आपको वो जस्टिफाई करना होगा थ्रू द कॉलेज सोसाइटीज, थ्रू द सोशल क्लब्स एंड थ्रू द इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटीज दैट यू हैव बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ. कैसे कि अगर मैं एक कॉलेज सोसाइटी में हूं तो मेरे उस कॉलेज सोसाइटी में होने की वजह से कॉलेज सोसाइटी को फायदा क्या हुआ. व्हाट I'll just request everybody to just just have the questions flowing through the chat box, and the feedback form and everything else can be done at a later stage. I'll just request the team to just make a note of that. Yeah. Okay. So आप जब इंटरव्यू में बैठेंगे, you have to justify the last 2.5 years. आपके इंटर्नशिप में आपने काम क्या किया, आपके वहां पे काम करने से कंपनी को फायदा क्या हुआ. Were you there just increasing followers, or were you actually there strategizing for them, building a plan and executing it, जिसकी वजह से एक परसेंटेज ग्रोथ हुई कंपनी में. क्योंकि जब एक रिक्रूटर आपकी कंपनी में एक फुल टाइम एम्प्लॉयमेंट देने के लिए आ रहा होता है, वो आपसे सोशल मीडिया फॉलोअर्स के लिए नहीं आ रहा है, वो आपके लिए प्रॉपर आपका दिमाग यूज करने के लिए आ रहा है कि आपने अपना दिमाग कितना यूज किया, आपने कंपनी को फायदा क्या दिया. So that is what you will have to work on from day one. And day one का मतलब है आज से. I have also been a part of the same community, Delhi University BCom Honors, and I regret तो मैं नहीं कहूँगा, but I really hope that I had somebody in my first semester to be telling me these things, because I started my own internship program the second semester, and that is where I personally started working on myself. But मुझे ऐसा फील होता है कि मैं फिर भी एक सेमेस्टर लेट था. अगर मैं एक पहले ही सेमेस्टर में सारी चीजें शुरू कर चुका होता, I would have been a different person. And I have conducted, like I said earlier as well, I've conducted a lot of sessions across the country, primarily with the second and the third year students, because I'm a trainer. I have those programs, and my training programs are with the final semester students. अब प्रॉब्लम ही ये है कि वो फाइनल ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, क्योंकि फाइनल ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स जब तक वो बन चुके हैं तब तक उन्होंने कुछ काम ही नहीं किया है. And most of these things they are learning for the first time. They regret wasting those 2 years कि उन्होंने 2 साल में कुछ काम ही नहीं किया, जिसकी वजह से मेरे जैसे लोगों को बुलाया जाता है कि सर प्लीज डैमेज कंट्रोल करिए, tell them what they can do now so that they can improve their chances of getting recruited, employed in the next semester. So मैं डैमेज कंट्रोल कर रहा था पिछले 4 महीनों से with different colleges and different universities. This was the problem, and that is why I started with a fresh series of webinars purely with the first year students. क्योंकि ये चीजें आपको फर्स्ट ईयर में, फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में बताना ज्यादा जरूरी है, ना कि आपके सेकंड सेमेस्टर में या थर्ड सेमेस्टर में. Now understand this. Please find those opportunities, find those internships, become a part of a community where you on a regular basis you are being thrown and given information, productive information. आप करंट अफेयर्स के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. आज की डेट में दुनियादारी में क्या चल रहा है, दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है, आपको पता होना चाहिए. You cannot be somebody who's only with books. A bookworm is not appreciated. You need somebody who can talk. Why? Because today you are talking with not just me. Tomorrow you'll be talking with your clients. And जब आप client के साथ बात करेंगे तो आप बिल्कुल चुपचाप बैठ के बात नहीं कर सकते like a bookworm. You need to be extempore. You need to be a quick learner, a quick thinker. You need to be an extrovert. And you need to make decisions while talking. और ये चीजें अपने आप नहीं होती. They happen over a period of time. सबके लिए. And this starts from day one. And it's for you to choose what that day one is going to be like. Is it going to be today, or is it going to be 2 years down the line? And this is why I'm saying that everything starts today. So when the recruiter comes, this is exactly what the recruiter is going to be looking for. How comfortable are you? Are you okay with being a part of my company? Are you ready to be a part of my company where you'll be interacting with people? Will be in a team. You'll be given tasks. You will be given projects. You will be problem solving throughout. You will have to manage your own finances. You will have to manage your own problems, your own issues, and then manage the company's work. क्योंकि personal life and corporate life को आप mix नहीं कर सकते. These are things that the recruiter will be looking for. So you have to start working on them today. One important thing, entrepreneurship. This is one thing which is underrated. बहुत underrated चीज है. हम दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में आते हैं, लेकिन entrepreneurship का एक सब्जेक्ट भी होगा. वो सब्जेक्ट मार्क्स देने के लिए. बड़ी मजे की बात आपको बताता हूं मैं कि उस entrepreneurship के सब्जेक्ट को आप पढ़ रहे हो to understand what entrepreneurship is, how to do business. लेकिन एक चीज मैं आपको बता दूं, being an entrepreneur myself, कोई किसी को धंधा करना सिखा नहीं सकता. And it's very important today that as a girl, as a woman, if you have an idea, if you think that you can identify a problem, give the solution and monetize that solution, you will do it. अगर पेरेंट्स के साथ सपोर्ट नहीं है, find somebody, find a mentor who's going to give you that support. But if you are inclined towards starting your own venture, starting your own business, starting your own Instagram page, starting your own community channel, you will do it. You want to do it today, you want to do it next month, you will do it. There is nothing that can stop you from becoming an entrepreneur. You have all the time in the world. 3 साल है आपके पास ये सारी चीजें करने के लिए. ये अगर आप अपने फाइनल सेमेस्टर में सोच रहे होते, जो कि आज के डेट में बहुत लोग सोच रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा सा टाइम की प्रॉब्लम होती है. यहाँ पे टाइम ही टाइम है. Along with your studies, हम घर पे बैठे हुए हैं. We just have to communicate over a phone call, over a Zoom session, and you can work on your ideas and your venture ideas. Do it. I would want to see, if there are 211 people here right now, I would want to see at least 100 entrepreneurs by the end of the 3rd year. We can have another session, Prapti, 3 साल बाद 2023 में, 2 साल बाद 2023 में, and we can definitely have a show of hands कि किन लोगों ने अपना entrepreneurial venture start किया. I would love to see that. There's nothing that can stop you. Trust me when I say this. No faculty member, no senior, no junior, no family member. Do it. One important thing before I get into the question answer round is that it's a very simple term, but it's very, very important. Find a mentor. mentor. All right. I am I just request the entire team to not discuss any feedback form or any attendance link right now. We can have this towards the end, right? I would really want everybody to be just focusing here. All right. Mentor. mentor. पहला सवाल ये होता है कि मेंटोर कौन होता है. दूसरा सवाल ये होता है कि मेंटोर को ढूंढे कैसे. तो पहले सवाल पे पहले आते हैं. Who is a mentor? A mentor is somebody who has considerable amount of experience, is an expert in his or her own field, जिनको दुनियादारी की समझ है. Somebody who's rational in the way he or she takes decisions, is a very good listener, does not differentiate or judge, is non-judgmental, कि वो पहले आपकी बात समझेंगे फिर जवाब देंगे, यानी कि empathetic towards whoever he or she is talking to. बहुत भारी शब्द मैंने भेज दिए. I know बहुत भारी शब्द हैं ये. It's important to understand that this mentor is somebody who you can trust. This person, he or she, can be a faculty member, can be a senior, can be somebody who's a relative, preferably not parents, because parents में एक biasness आ जाती है. So हमें एक non-biased, एक unbiased suggestion चाहिए होता है. This person can come to your gym. This person can be from your tuition center. This can be anybody from any field where they are an expert in. Preferably at least twice your age. क्योंकि उतने टाइम में आपको एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है. So find that person. It might not happen today, it might not happen tomorrow, it might not happen in a week, but be on the lookout for that mentor who's non-judgmental, and whatever your problems are, your anxiety issues, your boyfriend issues, your problems at home, your financial problems, ideas with on your startup, academic problems, society problems, friends के साथ झगड़ा हो गया, anything that you can talk to this person about. And this person will be a good listener, non-judgmental, and will give you the right guidance. Find that mentor. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, this is a golden rule. I found my mentor when I was in my second year, my third semester, and I was always on the lookout. I found that person where? In my gym. I happened to go to a gym, and I found that person there. He happens to be definitely twice my age, is working in an MNC at a very senior position. I did not know till the time I started talking to them. I started discussing my problems, and only to realize that this person is the right person to discuss problems and ideas with. And as a simple way of talking to him, I would simply drop a message. On usual days, you will just say hi, hello in the gym and just carry on with the workout. But if I have something to talk about, I will drop him a message saying that let's talk after the workout or before the workout, and we would just have a cup of coffee or just sit outside and talk. And he would actually listen to me and give me ideas and suggestions. You need that person. I'm telling you, you need that person. Find that person as soon as possible. So where do you find this person? This person can be anybody, anywhere, but it's very important to find this person. Any questions so far? Let me just take up a few questions. मैंने काफी बोल लिया इस time तक. All right. Everyone is requested to, okay. What about the societies like creative writing and theater? Theater society is something that you should definitely be part of. If you're interested in theater, in dramatics, so Delhi University में मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, Delhi University में theater का मतलब होता है street play, नुक्कड़ नाटक. So नुक्कड़ नाटक पे सबसे ज्यादा फोकस होता है. नुक्कड़ नाटक वाले जो लोग होते हैं वो अलग ही लेवल पे होते हैं. उनका सेल्फ एस्टीम, वो जिस तरीके से बात करते हैं, the way they get comfortable with the world is something to believe. So if you have the time and energy and you can cope up with your studies, be a part of your dramatic society. This is one thing I can say hands down. All right, a few other questions. Writing in creative society, definitely there is, okay, creative writing society, no problems with being a part of a creative writing society. Absolutely nothing wrong. What do you think about societies like creative society? Okay, so Nikita has sent me this question twice. Not an issue, Nikita. Write your queries and questions in the chat box only. No need to unmute yourself. There is absolutely every need to unmute yourself. You are free to unmute yourself and talk to me. So if there's anything that you want to ask, unmute yourself. Do not listen to Riyansha. That's all I can say. All right. Great. Another question. If someone is an introvert, which is perfectly fine. A very interesting question. What do we do if I'm an introvert? Bhumika, I'll just come to you. You have raised your hand. A very common question, and it's not a problem. कोई बीमारी नहीं है, कोई problem की बात ही नहीं है. It's just that you are not comfortable with talking to a lot of people. आप खुल के बहुत आसानी से बात नहीं करते. लेकिन आज के डेट में बहुत जरूरी भी है. It is important that you're presentable, not talkative. मैं मेट के कि वो गीत के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ जो एक बार शुरू हो गए तो बंद होने का नाम नहीं ले रहे. बट इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू आर कंफर्टेबल विद टॉकिंग आउट ऑफ द ब्लू. इफ यू आर राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ समबडी एंड दैट पर्सन आस्क्स यू 3 क्वेश्चन, आपको उसका जवाब बहुत कंफर्टेबली, बहुत ऑर्गेनिकली देना है. अब ये चीज कैसे होती है? ये चीजें कॉलेज सोसाइटीज एंड इंटर्नशिप्स के थ्रू होती है. कैसे, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. जब आप एक कॉलेज सोसाइटी का पार्ट बनते हैं, और मैं फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर की बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं अभी ये नहीं बोल रहा कि आप प्रेसिडेंट बन के तब के एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बता रहा हूँ, मैं आपको फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के बारे में बता रहा हूँ. यू विल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ अ टीम. उस टीम में एक सीनियर होगा. आप तो फर्स्ट ईयर में, तो सेकंड एंड थर्ड ईयर के बहुत सारे लोग होंगे उसमें. एंड सबसे पहली चीज तो आप उन्हीं को देख के सीख रहे होंगे. दैट हाउ इज इट दैट दे आर सो कंफर्टेबल. यू विल बी इन अ टीम, सो यू विल हैव टू टॉक इन दैट टीम. अभी तक आप उन लोगों को जानते भी नहीं थे. आज आपको बिना जाने उनको जानने की कोशिश करनी है. आपको प्रॉब्लम्स को डिस्कस करना है. यू अगेन हैव टू डील विद कॉलेज अथॉरिटीज. यू हैव टू डील विद पीपल लाइक मी, यानी कि आउटसाइड पीपल, क्लाइंट्स जो आपके पास आ रहे हैं, जिनके साथ आपका काम हो रहा है. उनके साथ आप बात तो करोगे, चाहे एक ईमेल के थ्रू बात करें, चाहे एक फोन के थ्रू बात करें, चाहे इस तरीके से बात करें. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम टॉकिंग टू रियांशा. आई हैव बीन इन टच विद प्राप्ति, दैट्स फॉर श्योर, बट दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम टॉकिंग टू रियांशा. So just to be in that zone, college societies are going to put you in that zone automatically. वो ये नहीं बोलेंगे कि उनको एक्सपोजर देना है, उनको एक्सट्रोवर्ट बनाना है. नो, आपका काम ही उस तरीके से होगा दैट ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वो ऑटोमेटिकली होगा. सो यू कैन राइट डाउन योर नेचर, योर लेवल ऑफ इंट्रोवर्टनेस टुडे. कागज पे लिख कर रख लो, उसको अपने अलमारी में छुपा के रख लो. 3 साल बाद जब आप देखोगे, यू विल सी अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस. दिस इज हाउ इट हैपेंस. जादू की तरह होगा, लेकिन आपको उस कॉलेज सोसाइटी में ज्वाइन करना जरूरी है. अपने आप नहीं होगा, क्लासरूम के अंदर नहीं होगा. रियांशा is smiling. I can completely relate to this. She's probably relating to this. So yeah, introvert होना कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एक्सट्रोवर्ट होना बहुत जरूरी है, और अपने आप होगा. Link are not working. Link is not working. Okay. What to do? I haven't joined any societies and recruitment is closed now. Okay. If you are still interested, drop a message to your college seniors, whoever is in the leadership team of the society. I don't know which society you're talking about. Drop them a message. Apologize firstly कि आपने time से join नहीं किया, but also tell them why you want to join today and now. If you're okay with justifying that, I don't think your college senior should have a problem with that. You're all requested to use your college domain IDs. We will be keeping this conversation aside. Kindly do not mention anything about any form right now. One small request to the team. How important is a portfolio site besides LinkedIn profile, CV, etc.? Does doing a professional course side by side adding weight when you don't do an internship? What is an acceptable no? Okay, what is an acceptable number and duration of internships? Interesting question, Vedangi. Let me just break that question up into smaller parts and answer this. A very, very good question. I would want everybody to listen in. How important is a portfolio site? Now, a portfolio site is basically designed for people who have some material, some product to show. So if you're a graphic designer, you will have a portfolio. If you're an interior designer, you will have a portfolio. If you're a video editor, you will have a portfolio. If you are a product designer, you will have a portfolio. If you are a fashion designer, you will have a portfolio. So it's important to document. A portfolio is nothing but a documentation of the work that you have done. So if you hold a technical skill, a UI UX designer or a graphic designer, like I said, a portfolio site is essential, mandatory. LinkedIn profile is an elaborated version of your CV. Now the problem is that a CV and a resume are two different things. And I need you to understand this difference today because आपके seniors को भी ये बात नहीं पता थी जब मैंने उनके साथ सेशन किया था. A resume is a piece of paper which is basically your entire potential as a candidate, as a corporate candidate, as an employee on an A4 size sheet. It's a condensed version. उसमें आपके skills और experience पे बहुत तवज्जो दी जाती है. आपके roles and responsibilities, आपने किस certification में काम किया, आपने किस internship में काम किया है, college society में काम किया, उस पे ज़्यादा तवज्जो दी जाती है. A CV is a curriculum vitae. A CV includes these things in an elaborated form, लेकिन फोकस सीवी के अंदर आपके पब्लिकेशंस पे होता है, आपके रिसर्च पेपर्स पे होता है, आपका एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट किस में है, आपने कितने आर्टिकल्स लिखे हैं, आपने कितने पब्लिकेशंस दिए हैं. सो इट्स मोर टू द एकेडेमिया साइड. सो इफ यू वांट टू गेट इनटू टीचिंग, इफ यू वांट टू गेट इनटू हायर एजुकेशन, कल को आपको पीएचडी करनी है, एमफिल करनी है, इफ यू वांट टू गेट इनटू अ मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम, you will require a curriculum vitae. So do not interchange CV and a resume. They are two different things. ठीक है, हिंदी और पंजाबी की तरह इतना डिफरेंस है. अब अगर मैं रेज्यूमे के बारे में बात करूं, रेज्यूमे आपको डे 1 से प्रिपेयर करना शुरू करना पड़ेगा. एंड यू विल बी प्रिपेयरिंग अ रेज्यूमे जिसमें आपके सर्टिफिकेशंस होंगे, आपका एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड होगा, लाइक आई सेड, योर एरियाज ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, सॉरी योर पोजीशन ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, किस सोसाइटी में आप किस लेवल तक आपने काम किया. स्टार्ट एज अ मेंबर ही करोगे, स्टार्ट तो प्रेसिडेंट के साथ नहीं करोगे, विच इज फाइन. यू विल स्टार्ट एज अ मेंबर, यू विल एक्सप्लोर डिफरेंट सोसाइटीज. किसी सोसाइटी में आप ग्रो करोगे, किसी सोसाइटी में ग्रो नहीं करोगे, कोई बात नहीं, बट यू विल मेंशन ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स. You'll be focusing on your certification courses. Where is it that you're doing the certification courses from? New Point. I need somebody to write it in the chat box now. There are top 4 websites for doing certification courses. This is my personal opinion. Please do not take this in any other sense. The first one is Coursera. I'll just request now somebody from the team to write it down. Coursera. The second is Udemy. 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 The third is EDX or edX. And the fourth one is LinkedIn Learning. Yes, thank you, Nishika. Now there is a fifth one. उसमें आपको certification तो नहीं मिलता. You don't get that certificate of completion, but you get a lot of knowledge. And it's called YouTube. Free of cost. Please start exploring learning new concepts on YouTube. Netflix के subscription को थोड़े महीनों के लिए बंद कर दो. There is no point binge watching Netflix. उनका काम ही, they earn money because you are binge watching. You are hooked on to Netflix shows, Amazon Prime shows, Hotstar, Disney. I know बहुत गंदी बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. अब तो ले लिया आपने, कोई बात नहीं, unsubscribe कर दो. Get onto YouTube, start spending time on upskilling yourself. Because I'll tell you why. The person who eventually gets a job, the person who eventually is more serious about their career is working on it. They understand what Netflix and these OTT platforms are doing today. If you are not aware of this, if you are not upskilling yourself, even despite of knowing all of those things, तो आपसे बड़ा बेवकूफ भी कोई नहीं है. अब उसमें मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. To understand, Coursera, Udemy, edX, LinkedIn Learning, and YouTube, upskill yourself. The other 4 platforms are where you can get your certification courses from. We haven't been going out. अगर आप कॉलेज जाएंगे, JDM से कॉलेज जाएंगे, तो आप मेट्रो का खर्चा भी देंगे. अगर आप किसी बाहर की सिटी से हैं, तो आप अपना PG या एक फ्लैट का रेंट भी देंगे. You'll be going out with friends. आप खाने के लिए भी जाओगे, आप डेट्स पे भी जाओगे, आप मूवीज के लिए भी जाओगे, आप घूमने फिरने के लिए भी जाओगे. पैसा खर्च होता है. You are saving on that money. Invest that money in those certification courses. That is what is required. Having said that, certifications on your resume and then your work experience through your college societies, through your internships. So you have to start preparing your resume from day one. I have received a lot of questions. Let me get back to them. So it's very important. Yeah, Vedangi, it's very, very important. A professional course side by side. Could you just name 2 professional courses which you're talking about? CMA, CPA, CFA, FRM,
so I'm doing CMA.
Could you just repeat that? I'm so sorry, I could not hear that.
Sir, I'm doing CMA.
CMA, Certified Management Accounting, wonderful. So that is a good program to do, a good professional course, which is perfectly fine. ये आपकी पढ़ाई के लिए add-on रहेगा, and it will definitely have an additional weightage. Because it's a professional course. It's not a diploma or a certification course. A professional course is something very different. So you will be a CMA certified professional, which adds a lot of weight. However, you cannot discount it for internship. They are not interchangeable. They're 2 different things. Internship is work experience. Doing CMA is giving you no experience. So internship ki value tab bhi rahegi. An acceptable number and duration of internship, good question. A good number would be anywhere between 3 to 4, 3 to 5 number of internships, but would have spent decent amount of time there. Not for 3 weeks, for at least 2 months to 3 months in each internship. This is just a minimum I'm talking about. Are you suggesting for us to apply for internship in first year? That's exactly what I'm suggesting. What type of internships are best? Good question. Very interesting question. But before that, I'll just request everybody to turn their cameras on again. आपको लगता है कि मैं पकड़ नहीं पाता, लेकिन मैं बहुत अच्छी तरह से पकड़ लेता हूँ. कैमरास बंद होते हुए दिखते हैं मेरे को. So great. What kind of internships? This is entirely up to you. Entirely up to you. What is your area of interest? आप अपने आप को किस डोमेन में देखती हैं? Do you want to get into marketing? Do you want to get into finance? Are you good with numbers? Are you good with data? Are you good with human resource? क्या आप HR में जाना चाहती हैं? Is it something that you want to explore for yourself? Do you want to have your own venture? So there are multiple things that are on offer, and it is for you to get into different domains to understand what your area of interest actually lies in. So if you are unsure कि marketing में मेरा interest है या finance में है, एक internship आप marketing में करो. Understand what is the kind of work that you'll be doing there. Get into that internship, understand whether it's for you or not. आपको एक हफ्ते में पता चल जाएगा. Once you realize that...
Sorry for interrupting. I just have a question. How do we find, we are a first year, we don't know about much courses. इतने सारे कोई किसी भी internship में apply करते हैं, there are list of opportunities, but we don't know many of them. So how to apply in those? मतलब पता ही नहीं है तो फिर apply किस में करें?
Perfect, Neha. Very good question. I will be coming to that. Just give me a bit. There are, it's not just your question. A few other people have also asked this question. So I'll be just answering that question. I just want you to understand that it's important to find your domain. The reason why you do an internship is because you have to understand which domain you want to see yourself in 2, 3, 4, 5 years down the line. How to find an internship? Now there are 2 ways of finding an internship. Finding an internship. The third way is, of course, when the internship comes to you. So आपके WhatsApp groups पे and through your placement cell, internship cell, वो आते जाते रहेंगे. But how do you find internship? 2 ways of doing that. The first way of doing it is LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn is not a boring job portal for old blokes to sit and search for jobs. It's actually today for the youth. एक upper generation से ज़्यादा ज़रूरी आज की डेट में आप लोगों के लिए है. You have to be on LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, there is a section called jobs, which is not only for jobs. Over there, you find internships, you find work from home, you find contractual work, everything is there. For example, I want to do marketing internship, digital marketing internship करनी है मुझे, very good. आप jobs के section में गए, very good. आपने ऊपर डाला digital marketing, very good. Type of work, job, full time, part time, internship, contractual, freelance. You get into internship. Now, LinkedIn is going to give you notifications, literally notifications, when a digital marketing internship comes up on LinkedIn. It will send you a mail. It will give you a notification on LinkedIn. So this is how you find those internships. Now, how do you know कि उस internship में काम क्या होगा? आप उस पे click करेंगे. On the notification, on the job description, it will show you what the company, what company it is, what the roles and responsibilities are for that position, what is the criteria. Are they asking for economics honors only or BCom honors वाले भी apply कर सकते हैं? वो सारी चीजें आपको दिख जाएंगी. Which are those certification programs which you should have? Should you know Microsoft Excel for it? Should you know any other software for it? Criteria will be mentioned there. Start applying. There is going to be an apply option. या तो वो डायरेक्टली आपकी LinkedIn प्रोफाइल को एक PDF कन्वर्ट करके अप्लाई कर देगा, या तो आपको एक रेज्यूमे अपलोड करना पड़ेगा, which means your resume has to start from today. The second way of doing and finding an internship is through a platform called Internshala. Right? बहुत simple platform है. I'm sure आप लोगों ने सुना भी होगा. Make a profile there. Apply. Find your internships. Find the types of internships. It's basically meant for internships. Find your internship, your field or domain, your area of interest. Right now, everything is work from home. It's the best way you can actually intern. Easiest way to intern right now. कहीं आना जाना नहीं, कहीं टाइम खराब नहीं हो रहा, बेड पे बैठे बैठे हम सोते सोते क्लासेस ले रहे हैं, कोई इशू ही नहीं है, घर बैठे बैठे काम करो. So find those internships and get going. That's all I can say. So these are two ways of finding an internship: LinkedIn and Internshala. All right. Very quickly. From where do these genuine internship programs? Well, okay, so I've already told you about that. Is there society for NCWEB students also? Could you just tell me what NCWEB is? I'm not too sure.
It's non-collegiate women's wala thing.
Okay. Got it. ठीक है. So this is something that I think somebody from your college will be able to tell you. मैं नहीं बता पाऊंगा ये चीज.
We don't have any separate society for them. जो भी होता है, it is combinedly for the regular students and the NCWEB students.
ठीक है.
There's no separate society.
There's no separate society. Perfect. I don't think होती भी है. एक women's development cell होता है. That is something that I know. But I don't think there's a separate society for this.
No, there is no separate society.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for answering that, Prapti. Okay. Is it advisable to learn some skills before doing an internship like Excel digital marketing? It is a learning process. You will continuously learn and get that experience. So it's not that you get some skill first and then get internships. They happen parallelly at the same time. I have a question, a private question. I'm so much introvert person. There's anxiety in myself how to overcome this, which is perfectly fine. You are not the only one. सबको होता है ये, हुआ भी है, and people have come over it, have come out of it. So perfectly fine. Anxiety तब होता है, and while you're an introvert, because you're not able to come out of a comfort zone, and you just get into this defensive mode where you are comfortable to the core. इससे ज़्यादा मैं करूँगा या करूँगी, I'm going to feel that anxiety. So this is again going to happen through your college societies. You will automatically learn. You will automatically come out of a comfort zone. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा how comfortable you have become while talking. I have seen people. I am currently seeing people who. So all right, one interesting fact. A lot of students from JDMC, from your college, have actually interned in my company, and I have actually seen them come out of their comfort zones to have started talking from a team of 3-4, कि वो पहले 3 या 4 लोगों में बात करते थे, to actually communicating with people from different colleges, universities and stratas on LinkedIn and through phone calls for getting things done. So कहाँ से कहाँ तक in no time. Have those introvertish traits, and then eventually you just come out of it. So all of those things will be there, but I would personally recommend आप पहले एक society को join करिए, join a community of people where you actually get to talk and you actually feel like a family and a value-adding society or a community. That is something that you should be looking out for. So we should apply for internships and all from our first year. Yes. What about debating society? It's a very good place to be. Again, a department or a technical society. Please get into a debating society if you have an interest. Could be a Hindi debating society, could be an English debating society. A wonderful place to be in. Which society is best? Okay, there is no society which is the best society. ऐसा होता तो फिर सब उसी में होते. Every society has a different way of working. A placement society is very different from a debating society. That's how it is. So you can be a part of both. You can be a part of one. Entirely up to your area of interest. Okay. Which societies? I've joined NCC. Still, I should join 2 societies. बिल्कुल कर सकते हो. क्या problem है? I know a lot of people. In fact, this girl who's interning right now in my company is a part of NCC. Is a part of, I think, 3 societies, is leading one society and is also interning with me. And has already interned in a few other companies as well. Second year student. So it is difficult to manage studies with internship and society. So can you tell me how to manage both of them? Manvi, have you been a part of any internship and society where you are able to difficult manage studies with it? Where you're finding difficulty in managing your studies and your work alongside each other? I don't think that's a formula for leading life. You will have to manage both. It will happen. Everything is work from home today. You're not going around. You don't have those physical meetings after college. जहाँ पे आपको college के बाद रुकना पड़ेगा meeting attend करने के लिए, और between classes you will have to shift. Everything is happening right now online. This is the best time to get into internships. So can I join Career Opportunity Cell now? Okay, this is something for your Career Opportunity Cell coordinator to tell you.
Yeah, you can join the Career Opportunity Cell, but we are still waiting for another next week. We will definitely circulate the messages and all. You will receive in your class groups.
Perfect. Thank you, Prapti. What about NC? Okay, so I have another question. Features of best CV. There is no best CV. It's the correct CV which you should have. Again, it's not a CV, it's a resume. Abhi difference bataya. Please understand this difference. Understand that you will have to start building on these things: academic projects, non-academic projects, extracurricular activities, position of responsibilities, certifications, work experience. It's very important. So feature तभी बन पाएगा जब आपके पास material होगा उस पे लिखने के लिए. So that is why you have to start from today. Which is the Society for Social Work in JDMC? Prapti?
Yeah, we have NSS. I think so. The recruitment has already begun. You can just go through the JDMC official email ID. Official Insta page. All the contact details and everything is mentioned there.
Perfect.
We also have Enactus.
Okay,
yeah,
you have Enactus
Enactus
as well.
Also. Yeah.
Lovely. Enactus is a great place to be. NSS definitely join करवा. National Service Scheme. बिल्कुल join करिए. So can I join Career Opportunity Cell now? You've been answered that question. How is Rotaract Club and Chetna Society? So Chetna Society and Rotaract Club again are good societies to be a part of. Rotaract तो बहुत active हो गया है in recent times. In fact, I've done a lot of sessions with Rotaract clubs. And बहुत interesting concepts लेकर आ रहा है Rotaract Club. So I think that is equally good. I will not differentiate between any social club, that's for sure. What type of internship is good for someone wanted to be a teacher in future? Teaching internships, as simple as that. Start working in organizations which are also dealing with teaching, who are in the edtech space, who are in the training phase. You can intern, you can start teaching or be a guest faculty or intern teacher in some tuition center who is currently conducting classes online. This is something they can do, and a lot of people are doing that. Great. What exactly do we have to watch on YouTube? Again, you identify your area of interest, for example, upskilling yourself, right? Basically upskilling yourself. So financial independence, I'll just give an example. Start watching videos on financial independence, how to manage your own finances. You don't need to do a certification for that, but you must know that. वो आपको Netflix नहीं बताएगा. वो आपको Amazon Prime नहीं बताएगा. That's the correlation which I want to derive. If you want to understand Excel, if you want to understand Excel, you want to develop on your Excel skills, YouTube is the place to do that. If you want a certification for that, any certification program course will give you the knowledge, of course, but will also give you a certification course, a certificate along with that. But if you want to learn for free, YouTube, start exploring different things on YouTube. Graphic designing. Before finding a certification, understand what graphic designing is. You have free courses on YouTube. This is what I wanted to watch. I'm interested in teaching, so these internship societies are important for me. Yes, because eventually when you teach, you will be teaching a group of people, students. You can be thrown different questions. And sometimes we see that, so there are teachers who are good, there are teachers who are not so good, teachers who we can connect with, teachers who we cannot connect with, teachers who answer our questions in a good way, teachers who do not answer our questions in a good way, teachers whose tone, whose voice is not good, who has a very flat tone, and it looks like a monologue, and then you sleep in the class, as compared to somebody who's actually, you're interested in listening to. So this is something that you develop. It's not that just because you're a teacher, you are on top. No, you have to be a good teacher at the end of the day. And this is where you start talking. This is where, through your college society, through your internships, you actually develop those skills. All right, very, very quickly. बहुत सारे questions आ गए हैं. Very good. जी मैम, बताइए.
So actually, I'm a second year student. I'm also the part of Basel. I have a question.
बताइए.
I'm on Internshala. So there they ask for your information and they automatically create a resume for you. Right?
Correct.
Yeah, and you can download it. So is that resume fine? Like when you're applying for internships?
If you're applying for internships through Internshala, then it's okay, but not otherwise. That's a very vague format. That's actually not the right format. But since it's a portal and it requires you to upload certain data, that is why they have a set template for it. But do not download that template and circulate it for any other internship.
Okay.
Good question.
The right format for the resume?
मैं आपको भेज सकता हूँ right format. I had a session with Prapti on, I think we did, Prapti. किस चीज पे session हुआ था हमारा, मैं भूल गया actually. Was it on LinkedIn or was it on resume?
It was on both LinkedIn also and CV building also.
Resume building.
Yeah, resume
Great.
building also. Yeah.
ठीक है, not an issue.
I am having Ria. I will forward it to you.
Okay, thank you.
Most welcome. All right, Mahima, you can unmute yourself. Mahima or Kajal, either of the two.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, Mahima. Hi, Mahima.
Sorry, sir. By mistake, I have done.
कोई बात नहीं. Not an issue. Kajal, do you have a question? Okay, Kajal ने भी हाथ अपना नीचे कर दिया है. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Great, getting back. Anybody else would want to unmute themselves and ask a question? Feel free.
So may I?
Please, ma'am.
So as I have asked in the chat box also, but the thing is, I want to experiment along the way, like in the internship. I'm doing one internship currently, and previously I did an internship which was related to Python coding.
Perfect.
But I'm doing commerce and CMA. So can I experiment along the way, or should I follow something with the accounting line only?
No, I think Python you will require for data management, data analysis, data filtration. You will require Python in any case. Okay, what are you using Python for? Are you using for web development and app development? Or what kind of internship did you do with Python?
So I did a web development internship with Django.
Correct.
It was basics for 1 month only. It was for 12 standard students only. Last year I did it.
Correct.
And recently I did the one of the internship for WordPress web development.
Okay. So are you well versed with WordPress? How good
Yes,
are you with WordPress?
I can say I'm somewhere between intermediate level because I started like in 6 months only. I have 6 months experience for WordPress.
And have you been working on WordPress or have you been interning with other companies who've been developing websites?
The place where I did the certification course with, they had 1 month certification course and then 1 month internship. That was the program with them.
So then why aren't you looking at UX UI designing or UI UX designing or web development?
So I'm thinking of picking it up next, but I have a question that I'm going for a CMA course.
Correct. I understand your question. But So what I'm trying to understand is, why did you do UX UI designing if CMA is the inclination that you have?
So because I was interested in 12th standard, I was very much interested in this Python and coding and all that stuff. I took IP and all this stuff, and I became very interested. So as a skill development, I thought like फालतू ही बैठे हैं तो चलो कर ही लेते हैं.
ठीक है, ये भी बात ठीक है, ठीक ही किया आपने.
वहाँ पे फिर 2 हो भी गए थे फिर इंटर्नशिप. तो इसलिए मैं पूछ रही हूँ कि आप एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकती हूँ मैं अलग-अलग जगह या एक ही लाइन पकड़ के चलूँ?
Okay, very good question, very interesting question कि बैठे-बैठे आपने 2 internship भी कर लिए. बड़ा interesting point है ये. What I would personally recommend is that firstly we can turn our microphones off. Yeah, microphone बंद कर लेते हैं. Yeah, okay. So what I would personally recommend is, if you are looking at UX, UI, UX designing, web development, and you're still interested in it, you do not mind interning, contact me. I have a team of web developers. We are launching a different vertical. I can give you an internship for that. To talk to you about specifically Python, CMA, alongside Excel, like you said. Python, since you already know, it's a coding language, all right? And it can be used for multiple things. You can use it for web development. You can use it for data analysis, data management, basically taking decisions based on that data. Data visualization, बहुत कुछ आप कर सकते हो. I would personally recommend that if you are pursuing CMA and you're interested in CMA, right? Let's just say that CMA आप कर रहे हो, वो एक fixed factor बन गया. So Microsoft Excel is something that you will require. Python is something that you will require from the data analysis side. So to understand, now that you've already done what you have done, उसको आप भूल जाओ. But if you are still comfortable with Python, start with Python. Python में data analysis, data management, data visualization पे focus करो. Then get on to Excel simultaneously. Once you have done this, alongside CMA जो आपका चलता रहेगा, then you get into Excel, because eventually आपको ये दोनों चाहिए होंगे for management accounting. Because today Python is being used for data management, for data analysis, data visualization, taking decisions based on that data. Python is something that you will require. Since you're doing CMA, आपको उस data पे decisions भी लेने को मिलेगा. Certified management accounting is not just preparing accounts and basically taking decisions based on that, based on the data and based on the accounts, based on the numbers. And Python will help you to do that. So both of them are required. Since you already have an experience with Python, start with Python and then get into Excel. Do I answer your question?
Yes, sir.
Fair enough. All the best. All the best. All the best. All right. I think there was somebody else also who wanted to talk. Is there any other question? All right. Fair enough.
Hi, Daksh. Just for a minute, I'm Dr. Poonam Butra. I'm the convener of the placement cell. We've met
Good
before.
Evening, all right. Good evening.
I've just sat through the talk. Very interesting. And, other thing that I would like you to emphasize and tell these girls is that when you do an internship, please inform the college. Because, so many times it happens, we give them the link, they do it, or even if they do it from outside, it's not always that the college provides you. You may have your own contacts, your own sources. So all the girls, please give us that relevant information, because now we have a process whereby, colleges are ranked. So you get a grade, and the more internships you do, it's not only for yourself, it's also for the growth of the college. And Daksh is very right. You see people in first year and you see them in the final year, there's a sea change. Whether you're applying abroad, whether you are, studying abroad, whether you are doing anything here. I mean, internship is a way of life. And I'm so sorry to say that, last year, sitting at home, people got so many opportunities, but very few took it up. So as first years, I request you, you don't need summer breaks. Now, most of the internships are online. You just need to, I think what you need is time management, whether you are in a society or you are in doing any internships. So, I mean, thanks a lot, Daksh. You have really done a good job. Please continue clearing their doubts. But yes, girls, one request, since you're all from first year, please get the necessary document from them that you have done this internship. That is as important, because when you write it somewhere, you need to have proof that you have done it. What exactly you have done. That is important. And of course, secondly, informing the college is very, very important. Okay, so that is, this thing. And please continue. I just wanted to put in this bit you know, since you were talking and everybody is so involved that, and we have given them a lot of internship opportunities. I don't know, Prapti will be able to tell you better how many of them have taken it up.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for that, for those sweet words, and definitely a really good point. I'll just pick the next point based on that.
Yeah.
Now, as I mentioned earlier as well, I have a lot of internship programs in my own organization, and one thing that students really put a lot of emphasis on is that, sir, I need an offer letter and I need the internship completion letter. So these are two things which have to be in order. So when you are applying for internship, when you get selected, there is an offer letter where whether you get it on a Word document or a PDF document or simply via a simple email from the official email ID. And once you've completed the internship, you get an internship completion letter or a letter of recommendation. उन दोनों ही documents में company का एक detail होगा, what position you were interning at, internship, so XYZ intern, marketing intern, digital marketing intern, the organization, who were you directly reporting to, and the duration. The main part is duration. Kiss date se kiss date tak. And what was the work that you did? What were the kind of things that you were involved in? I'll give you an example. I can recollect it at the top of my mind right now. There was a content writing internship, and for that internship, I had a team of 3 content writers, and they had worked on the website. They had worked on an online event that we had offered, and they had worked on our Instagram and our LinkedIn pages. So now those 4 things were mentioned categorically on their internship completion letter. Not in the offer letter. Offer letter में आप पहले नहीं लिख सकते कि आपने काम होगा क्या, but eventually जब आपका काम खत्म हुआ, वो सारी चीजें उसमें mentioned थी. So wherever you're interning, that document, उसको हम कहते हैं कागजी कार्रवाई आपकी पूरी होनी चाहिए. That documentation of each and every internship that you are doing is like gold for you. It's essential, critical. पीछे पड़ जाओ internship वालों के कि अभी तक आपने मुझे पेपर क्यों नहीं दिया. उस कागज की अहमियत है. वो कागज की अहमियत, वो कागज आपको चाहिए है. पहले make sure that once you complete that internship, you get that document. Once you are enrolled in internship, you get that document, and you will have to share it with the placement cell. Otherwise, it's of no use. Because they have data. When you apply for placements, they will also be sharing that data. It's going to go against you if you do not share it. So yeah, I mean, this is one thing which is essential. Yeah, I think that was a great point, ma'am. Thank you for bringing that up.
Another request which you had mentioned right in the beginning, I want all of you to switch on your cameras, because whenever we organized an event in college, we would have some photographs. Nowadays, you know, for us, the proof is these photographs.
No, so ma'am, this is not a photograph.
Everybody's faces on, and Prapti and other members, Ria, please take a few pictures. And
this is no longer a group photograph, ma'am.
This is turn on your cameras. That's you know, this is what we'll be. I think next year's annual report would be showing pictures only like this, nothing else.
This is no longer a group photograph. This is now a group screenshot.
Yes, this is a group screenshot. And unfortunately, a very harsh reality.
True. Prapti, just let me know once the photograph has been taken, the screenshot has been taken.
Yeah, I'm just taking it.
I can see a lot of people setting their hair right.
Yeah, sir, done.
Thank you, Prapti. Thank you. All right. Getting back to the chat box, I have a few questions. I'm a UPSC aspirant, still I should indulge in internship. Absolutely. There is nothing that can stop you. There's nothing that should stop you. आपकी यूपीएससी की पढ़ाई simultaneously चलती रहेगी. I don't know if you're doing it, preparing all by yourself, through online classes or through a tuition center. Internships will only benefit you if you crack the UPSC exam, because there will also be an interview process. There's actually going to be a lot of weightage on your work experience as well. And even if you're a fresher, your internship is going to carry weightage. What about language courses like Spanish and German? Are they productive? Very productive, or going to help us in future? Definitely will help you in the future. I personally did Chinese, Mandarin. And जिस तरीके से अभी आप लोग रिएक्ट कर रहे हो, बिल्कुल यही रिएक्शन मेरे को मिलता है. And Chinese is something which I thought that will definitely benefit me, and it did. Because there are certain organizations who have businesses in Singapore, they have businesses in Southeast Asia, China, of course, and the language, the Chinese language, I don't know how to write the language, or the script, but I can understand the language and I can communicate to an extent, to understand the numbers, the basic, the communication flow. So वो चीज़ बहुत important है, and you actually get hired, recruited for different companies who have multiple businesses in different countries where certain languages are being used. So it will definitely help you. Definitely will help you. Please reply. Okay, Kajal is saying please reply to what exactly do you want me to reply, Kajal? If you could just tell me also. We won't be getting any summer break this time, so when can we do these internships? Is this not a winter break for you? I fail to understand.
Exactly. We are on break since March.
छुट्टियां चल के यहाँ पे छुट्टियां ही हैं ये. There's nothing less than छुट्टी.
Exactly, and apart from it, we are providing them work from home opportunities only. So just classes तो सिर्फ 4 बजे तक ही होंगी ना. Go and engage yourself in the internship opportunities after 4 or 3 p.m.
Trust me, बहुत ज़्यादा लोग कर रहे हैं. I still have interns working in my organization, and they work throughout.
Yeah,
they tell me that,
exactly.
sir, I have a class from 12 to 1, so 12 से पहले काम हो रहा है, 1 के बाद काम हो रहा है. So there's nothing that can stop you. Just put this thing out of your mind that time is going to be a constraint. All right. Very quickly.
Yeah, I can see there are a lot of questions repeated. So
yes.
teaching wala has already been taken from you. What about MUN?
मैं ले लूंगा. There's a lot of I don't want to miss out on any question at all.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, I'm interested in cooking because there are a lot of private messages I've also got, right? Direct message वो आपको दिखेंगे नहीं. So इसलिए वो miss out हो जाएंगे कहीं ना कहीं. I'm interested in cooking, but there's no cooking society in JDMC. All right. Great. Wonderful. आप 2 चीजें हैं. पहले तो आप जो भी बनाओगे, एक मैं आपको एड्रेस भेज देता हूँ, प्लीज एक पैकेज यहाँ पे भिजवा देना. सेकेंडली, सोसाइटी में अभी पार्टिसिपेट करने कोई पॉइंट है नहीं बिकॉज वी आर नॉट इन द फिजिकल सेटअप. सो irrespective of your interest, even if it's into cooking, which is a great thing, I don't think a society will really benefit you. This is something that you should be practicing on your own. You can probably indulge yourself into a few cooking classes, and if you think you've actually reached a level, you can actually start teaching cooking. This is something that you should do. YouTube is going to be your friend here. Definitely a huge fan of cooking and YouTube. We won't be getting any summer break. Winter break hai ye. Please make the most of this time. How many internships we must do in our first year? At least 3 to 4. I don't think that can. I mean, minimum, definitely. I'm a UPSC aspirant. Should I? Okay, ho gaya. How many internships? I already mentioned that. If you're in BCom program, but if you want to do internship in field of fashion designing or textile, will there be any benefit in the future? Definitely. Just because you want to do it does not mean it's not going to benefit you. If you want to do it, it will benefit you. So what is stopping you from getting into fashion designing and textile designing? Nothing. Dimag. So just because it's a program, BCom program, do not hesitate. If that's your future, if you look at yourself in fashion designing, get into it. How do you find it? LinkedIn. And you will have to, call a few people, ring a few numbers and get your network going. And then that is how you actually start talking to people. Is Skill Cafe also a good site for certification? I have no idea what this means. Skills Cafe, I have not come across this, so I will not be commenting on this. How about the courses offered by NSE, BSE? Great question. I have loved this question so far. This is the best question so far. How about the courses offered by NSE and BSE? So NSE, National Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, offer a lot of certification courses on their websites. NSE.com, BSE.com. Please get onto that. Start finding the certification and the skill programs that they have, multiple skill programs ranging from 1 week to 1 year programs. Understand financial modeling. There is a lot to do with stock market. There's a lot to do with investment. There's a lot to do with a lot of other things. Understand if you're good with numbers, this is really going to benefit you. Really going to benefit you. Get onto BSE and NSE. I have loved this question. Great question. Who had asked this question? Vanshika, great question. Are there internships for humanities students? There are always internships for humanities students. You will always get. So, okay, humanities is what? What do you mean by humanities? There has to be a particular domain that you're talking about, a particular organization or a particular skill that you're talking about. Be specific about it. As a commerce student, which internship we should take and work on it, except digital marketing, sales and marketing? I'm perplexed regarding different internship choices. You will have to understand your area of interest If it's not into digital marketing, you do not want to strategize for a company, grow their digital presence, don't do it. Who's asking you to do it? Find something to do in HR, find something to do with into finance, do something in operations, strategize for a company in a larger sense, not just digital marketing. Who's stopping you from doing that? I don't know if you're getting these opportunities or not, but LinkedIn will help you. Internshala will help you if you haven't come across any such internships which might interest you. So I would personally recommend try, explore. There's nothing, you're not on the losing side. There's nothing that you can lose. Get into these internships, start understanding these opportunities and your area of interest. Apne aap milega. You will actually grow. You will become more mature as time. You actually go through these internships and you actually realize what your area of interest actually lies in. I'm interested in teaching, so these internships. Okay, I think I've answered this question. What about MUN? What about it? If it's something that you're interested in, debate, understanding policies, understanding the contemporary world, MUN is one place that you should be in. It will allow you to talk. It will allow you to research. You will always be on your toes. There'll be a lot of research that you will be doing, a lot of reading, learning about what is happening around the globe. Could be an old topic, could be a contemporary topic. MUN will definitely help you. I want to do MBA from abroad, and for this I have to work on my personality, like doing various internships and engaging in social work. Yes, that's your question, and your personality is going to make a difference. Social work will definitely make a difference. Internship is mandatory. Is this good? Okay, what about MUN? Is this good? Okay, yes, it is definitely good. Seats are full of almost all societies, but I want to join. What should I do? Like I said earlier as well, get in touch with the heads of the societies. Drop them a simple, sweet message that please mujhe le lo. Yeah, whatever. I'm not saying that we should be doing this, but I know most of your messages start with है ना, तो दी नहीं लिखते, हम दी लिखते हैं. So that's perfectly fine. Drop them a sweet message why you want to be a part of this internship, and let's just hope that they get flattered enough. Okay, where are the messages? Where are the questions? Should there be a particular line of internship we should follow, or we can experiment along the way? No, absolutely not. I've been talking about this all this while. No particular line. Explore. Understand what are the kind of internships that you would want to get into. Understand the roles and responsibilities. If it interests you, please take it up. Okay, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? आपको वो काम पसंद नहीं आएगा. आपने ग्रुप छोड़ दिया, आपने एक लेटर, आपने एक मेल डाल दिया that I do not want to continue for XYZ reason. You are out of that internship. You have nothing to worry. They're not going to ask you for money. They're not going to blacklist you. Don't worry. If that is not the kind of work that you're interested in, leave that internship. You are not on the losing side. आपको कोई याद भी नहीं रखेगा 2 घंटे बाद कि आप थे, आपने internship छोड़ दी. Oh no. Now what do we do with her? Please get her back. कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Just don't worry. Do the certifications in different courses given by Udemy have value in resume? Yes. Why? Because they are globally recognized. This is where authenticity and credibility lies. That is why I took these 4 names. I'm going to join NCC, but seats are already full. How can I join NCC now? Get in touch with somebody from the NCC team, and they'll be able to help you. I also want to join NCC. There are a few other people who want to join NCC. I'm getting a personal message. Please get in touch with somebody who is in the team. I wanted to join Enactus, but the recruitments were already done when I got admission here. All right. Again, like I said, Samriddhi, I think you should be a message. Get in touch with somebody from the Enactus team, and they will definitely help you out. They should help you out. Are internship certifications counted in extracurricular activities? No. Work experience. Can I join now? In what exactly? Okay, I'm really sorry. I want to join Enactus. Okay, yeah, okay. So is joining college society is a good option, or doing internships at internships or other platforms? Both. They both are equally important. You cannot differentiate. If you're doing BCom program, if you want to get an internship in the field of fashion design or textile, okay, I think I've answered this question. How can we get connected with your company? Connect with me on Instagram, and that's how you do. So my Instagram ID is Daksh Sethi 1919. Prapti, if you could just quickly type it out in the chat box. Daksh Sethi 19. Would love to connect with everybody. Is Skills Cafe also good? Okay, I think this is wapas aa raha hai question. Sir, I have financial issues at home, so how can I go for internships? You don't have to pay for internships, that's for sure. So I don't think that will be a criteria. Don't worry about it. Find internships. Okay, so do not always go in for internships which are giving you a stipend. that 2,000 or 3,000 rupees stipend is of no use if you're not getting the experience that you're asking for. Experience is what you should be focusing on. Today, you don't have to move around. There's no communication. There's no travel. There's no travel time. There's no travel expense. You do not require that kind of stipend. What you do is the experience and the kind of growth that you have in that organization. That is what you should be looking for. So I'm from Sanskrit Honors. What type of internship is good for me? Prapti, I think there's somebody whose mic is on. If you could just unmute everybody. Sir, I'm from Sanskrit Honors. Whatever internship is good for me. Any internship is good for you depending upon what you want to get into. That is for you to decide. You will have to explore what your area of interest lies in. Sanskrit Honors is not a constraint for you. If you want to get into teaching, like I said earlier as well, why have you taken up Sanskrit Honors? You want to probably do an MA. You will probably want to do a PhD. My Dadaji did a PhD in Hindi and Sanskrit. Went into teaching. What's wrong? Kaun rok raha hai aapko? So, but overall, he had experience in teaching. So again, you can definitely start teaching. You can get acquainted with tuition centers, stuff like that. So I did CA Foundation, but the result is not disclosed yet. It should be better for me to continue with my BCom honors. You do not leave BCom honors. Do not leave BCom honors just because you have made through CA. CA की पढ़ाई साथ साथ चलती रहेगी, BCom honors चलता रहेगा. Last year I gave NIFT exam but wasn't able to clear NIFT Delhi. That is why I took admission in BCom. But this year I will give exam again. Fashion designing is my passion. What if I do not get admission in NIFT Delhi? Again, if we are doing BCom program, but if we want to do internship in field of fashion designing or textile, is there? Okay, this is the third time I've been asked this question, but I'll be answering for the third time. If fashion designing is your passion and NIFT Delhi is your target, firstly, just because you do not get into NIFT Delhi does not mean that you lose out on your passion or you just keep your passion aside. Passion will overpower the organization or the institution that you get into, that's for sure. So remember, ठीक है, आप prepare कर रहे हो, अपने exam देना है, stuff like that, पहले कर लो. But just because you're doing BCom program and fashion designing is your passion, passion comes first. But at the same time, it's not that you just discount the BCom program. Understand, do you want to do fashion designing as a profession? Or is it just a side hustle that you're working on and you might just leave out and lose interest in it over a bit of time? अब ये चीज आप मुझे बताओगे, मैं नहीं बता पाऊंगा. And that is when you decide. So this is the third time you asked me this question and I pretty much have a similar answer to this. So please tell which internships are good for political science honors. Very good question. Interesting question. Get onto LinkedIn, start exploring internships in the government, in newspapers. A lot of newspapers do a lot of research and you need political science honors for that. That is what you should be looking at. As a commerce student, which internship we should take and work on except digital marketing? I'm perplexed. Different. Yeah, bar questions are there. Somebody's copy pasting these questions. Please tell which certification courses should I do if I want to pursue HR? Interesting question. So employee management, there is the entire recruitment process. उसमें आप certification courses कर सकते हो. Psychology, please get into some form of psychology, employee psychology, relationship management. A few psychology courses which actually help you to do HR and get into the HR field must require. Get onto LinkedIn, get into the job section, full-time jobs as an HR manager, get into the criteria. उस criteria में कौन से certification courses mentioned है? Those are the certification programs that you should be getting into. Will you please tell the name of your organization again? Prapti, if you could just type it out. Guby Rogers, G-U-B-Y-R-O-G-E-R-S. Is Skills Cafe also a good site for certification? This is the fourth time you're asking me and I can't help it. What about MUN, sir? I think I answered this question, sir. I'm from English honors. What type of internship is good for me? Good question. Again, if you want to get into, why have you taken up English honors? Why? Do you want to study literature? Do you want to get into teaching? Do you want to get into full-time content writing? What is your area of interest? Or just because you're doing English honors does not mean that you are not interested in marketing. A lot of people do that. Is that your area of interest? So this is for you to tell me आपका area of interest कहाँ पर है, उसके basis पे आप internship करोगे. I cannot say that digital marketing is growing तो digital marketing करो. आपका कोई लेना देना ही नहीं है उसके साथ, आपको interest ही नहीं है उस चीज के बारे में, तो आप क्यों करोगे? और मेरे कहने पे क्यों करोगे? So that's how it works. Understand your area of interest. Understand why you would want to do something and turn your cameras on. 4 लोग रह गए हैं. Very quickly. We have 100 people. Very, very quickly. Yes, very quickly. So what are the ways to connect with the company? Please explain again. Connect with me on Instagram. मेरे bio section में मेरा company का नाम है. Get into it. Is duration of 1 month enough for internship? Very good duration है वो, बहुत अच्छी duration है, कोई issue नहीं है. Sir, BA program English with philosophy student. Acha, you are a BA program in English honors with philosophy student. What kind of internship should I do? Interest बताओ आप मेरा. आप अपना area of interest बताइए. Teaching में है so आप teaching की तरफ जाएंगे. अगर आपका literature की तरफ है तो आप literature की तरफ जाएंगे. If you want to get into the corporate world तो उसका perspective भी different हो गया. So this is for you to tell me what is your area of interest. How to stay updated with the current world if you are not a newspaper person. Newspaper person, घर पे newspaper आ ही नहीं रहे हैं because of this pandemic. You will stay updated with the virtual or the e-newspapers which are on your phone. The application, Times of India application, Economics Times application, In Shorts, the best application, BBC World. This is how you stay updated with current affairs. उनके notifications on करिए, Instagram के notifications off करिए, LinkedIn के notifications on करिए. आपको पता चलेगा कि दुनिया में क्या क्या चल रहा है. So please tell which internship program you provide. Okay, that's an interesting question. I provide a lot of internship opportunities. Stay connected on a regular basis. मैं निकालता रहता हूँ. I keep posting them on my Instagram page. Stay connected. How can we connect to your company? For the 4th time. Is there any high fees for this internship? Never pay for an internship program. What is your company LinkedIn? Gooby Rogers is the name. You can search for it. Get onto it. Great learning certifications valuable for. Yes, it is. Great Lakes offers the Great Learning Certification. I understand where it's coming from. Bucks1819, that's my Instagram ID. What should we choose from the two, debating or MUN Society? Both have their own. I think they're overlapping. MUN has its own thing. Debating has its own thing. MUN, अगर आपके पास है, तो MUN will be a little better. How can we connect with your company? Instagram. I'm good in sketching, and I've gained a lot of certificates and prizes from my school and even from other organizations organizing competitions for sketches, for sketch competitions. Okay, so that's like a hustle. It's a skill that you have. Work on it. Work on it. Absolutely. If you want to get into digital sketching, digital art, get into it. If you just want to do that rough artwork using a hand, continue to do that. Is there any Instagram page for career opportunity cell? If yes, what's the name of the page? Prapti will drop that in the chat box. How should I start my own work from this talent? Okay, so you'll have to do as many. You'll have to start promoting it on social media, on Instagram, on LinkedIn. Please set up a portfolio website. You have Behance is the best one. Linktree is one. Instagram pe aap dalna shuru kariye, and probably you can start connecting with interesting people there. So I'm doing AHTM course from Finn, and also I'm doing BCom honors. So what kind of internship should I do? Any suggestion? All right. So AHTM, for those of you who do not know, Air Hostess Training Program, is a interesting program. Aviation is something that keeps on recruiting people. So there's nothing wrong in doing that. Absolutely. If you're doing BCom honors at the same time, remember one thing: do not leave out on your degree. A lot of girls and boys who get into the aviation sector just forget about their degree because they start working. This is one suggestion. I was talking to somebody today from Indigo Airlines who is sick and tired of her job now. She is an air hostess, wants to switch. She was a part of a university in Delhi, IP University ki thi. She was in BCom honors and got for 2 months, and then got selected for Indigo, left the program, withdrew in the admission, and is now looking for admission again. अब वो correspondence से करना चाहती हैं. So problem होगी ना, aviation में वैसी problem चल रही है, and now you are left with nothing. So do not take decisions based on the salary that you're getting and probably a different city to explore. It's very superficial. So yeah, be very, very careful about it. Internship and everything just remains the same. So I want to learn Korean language. Should I do it? Will it help me? Definitely will. Languages will always help you. I have cleared CSET with cool marks, but I'm not sure whether I should go for CS executive or not. This is for you to decide. I don't know if you will be eligible for the exam or not, but if you are, there's nothing that can stop. Company secretary is right on the top. It's the cream. I did a session with the Indian Association of Secretaries and Administrative Professionals, ISAP, of the Delhi chapter. And I can tell you that they are the cream of this country right now in terms of IQ and in terms of the way you work. So there's nothing that should stop you from doing that. Having English and history as my core subject, which type of internship should I go? Again, like I said, your area of interest is going to tell me. आपको history के साथ क्या internship करनी चाहिए is a separate question. What are the kind of internships that you are interested in is a separate question. A lot of people get into a degree in a program because college मिल रहा है, marks हैं and ले लिया, but interest कहीं और है. What is stopping you from doing that? So what internships are advisable for maths honor students? Data. If you are really good with math, if you're very good with numbers, you want a future in numbers, data management, actuarial sciences, Python, R, these are the kind of things that you should be working on. Gooby Rogers is the name of my organization. Please tell me which certification course should I do if I want to be an entrepreneur? No certification course will make you an entrepreneur. The only certification that you need is to take you should have guts to start your own company. That's the only certification that you need. I'm a BA program student with history, political science as core subject and want to do UPSC. What type of internship should I do? Any internship, focus on your UPSC first. Simultaneously आप करते रहिए, क्योंकि जो इंसान बैंकिंग में है वो यूपीएससी कर रहा है, जो टीचिंग में है वो यूपीएससी कर रहा है. Somebody who's unemployed for 5 years is cracking the UPSC exam. So that interview that you eventually sit for when you are in the final UPSC stage is what will. But उससे पहले का जो पढ़ाई है, पहले उससे focus करिए. Simultaneously do internships which keep you grounded. So social work is going to be very important, and one domain specific, any domain specific internship. How many societies can you manage at the same time? I manage 5 societies. I was the captain of my cricket team. I was the president of my commerce society for 2 consecutive years. I was the secretary for Connecting Dreams Foundation. I was a part of the cultural team, and there was one of the placement cells. So I managed 5 together along with the sport. So if I can, you can certainly do that. Let me tell you, girls and the gender, the female gender in general is very good at time management and managing and balancing a lot of other things. So you can certainly do that. If I can, then you certainly can. So there's nothing that can stop you from doing that. Interest hona chahiye, definitely. Don't do it for the sake of doing it. In digital marketing, all about promoting courses and increasing CM and all. Like I said at the start, that is not what digital marketing is. So, but then what should we do then? Like my course will end by the end of this year. So managing the college regular classes will be impossible. No, it will not. Absolutely not. You will, of course, have to be present in the institution to start the training program. That's for sure. But you will have to manage it. आपको attendance का भी यहाँ पे देखना पड़ेगा. You'll have to talk to probably your college authorities as well. But this is one thing I am saying out of experience. Without a degree, पढ़ाई पहले आती है, बाकी सब कुछ आ जाएगा. या तो आप correspondence से कर रहे हो, SOL से कर रहे हो, या इंदिरा गांधी IGNOU से कर रहे हो, and then you are working, and then you are currently studying. A lot of people have done that. There are a lot of people who've completed their graduation and then got into aviation. It's for you to decide. My personal suggestion, please do not leave your degree. वो जो कागज का पर्चा है जिसके ऊपर लिखा होगा कि आपने BCom प्रोग्राम किया है, उसकी अहमियत ज्यादा होगी ना कि वो 40,000 की नौकरी. So please understand that. This is all that I can say. And I have nothing against it. Absolutely nothing against it. I have very close friends from the aviation sector. I actually personally wanted to become a pilot. And while I was studying my BCom honors, I had enrolled into NIOS, which is National Institute of Open Schooling, to continue with the subject of called physics. So that because physics is a requirement to become a pilot. And I then realized that entrepreneurship is something that I'm inclined towards. Commerce, business is something I'm inclined towards. So then I left out physics. But I understand aviation inside out. I'm telling you, degree ki ahamiyat zyada hogi. Most welcome. Okay, last 2 questions in the chat box. I'm a BA program student, but I'm interested in business related stuff. So is it good to do internships in that? Yes. Yes. Please, Priyanshi ji, please kariye. Absolutely. Where your area of interest is, that is what you have to do. If you are interested in business, start your own business. That's the best internship that you can do. Trust me when I say this, saying it out of personal experience. So should we do internships in a particular field, or we can try out for various internships? Do it in various internships. अगर आपकी area of interest नहीं है इस time पे, explore करिए. What is stopping you? You have nothing to lose. Yeah, most welcome, Nitakshi. I don't have any certification of extracurricular activities, but I want to indulge in extracurricular activities. What should I do? Please tell. Because there is no one to guide me. All right. Which is perfectly fine. You start today. You start your extracurricular activities today. You start your certification programs today. If you want to indulge yourself into extracurricular activities, start doing that. There will be online events. Fest season आने वाला है. आपका placement cell बहुत active होने वाला है. बहुत सारे inter-college, intra-college events आने वाले. Indulge yourself into that. I'm assuming, Tanisha, that you're in your first year. So you have all the time in the world to do it. Most welcome, Priya. All right. Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody wants to turn the microphone on and have a word?
Is there anybody to take up questions? We are just left with another 5 minutes, 3-4 minutes.
So then,
And
should
we'll
I
end the
join some
session.
society and internship as well? So Nitakshi, I don't think you should not join a society and internship. You should definitely join a society and do internships. Oh, okay. There's another question. Is there any Instagram page of Career Opportunity Cell? If yes, what's the name of the page? Yes, there is. And I don't know what it's called, but Prapti can just put it down in the chat box.
Yeah, at the end of the session, I'll give you 4 links. Dakshar's link, Gubi Rogers, and our society's pages.
आप दे दो
And
फिर,
one
आप डाल दो.
अभी
आप डाल दो.
डाल दो.
आप अभी डाल दो. No one. All right, Shabina. Apologies for that. Your doubt has been answered. Can you be our mentor? That's an interesting question. You can definitely stay connected with me, and I am somebody who loves to add value, share insights. So yeah, stay connected with me on Instagram. In fact, I'm coming up with our own community. So the Gubi Rogers community is going to be live. I don't know अभी तक आपके पास वो message आया है या नहीं आया है, but अगर आया है, this is one place that you should be in. Definitely. There's no registration fee. कोई पैसे नहीं ले रहे हैं. This is one thing I should be making very, very clear. And a lot of value addition is going to happen here. If someone has studied French and wants to join a company or do internship with any company except call centers, you can get into teaching. What is stopping you from understanding the language of French and teach French? You will always need people to teach French. So yeah. All right, Prapti, thank you for the links. I'll request everybody stay connected and drop in a message if there's anything required. And JDMC के साथ तो हम पहले भी बहुत सारे sessions कर चुके हैं. They've also collaborated with a lot of for a lot of events.
Internships as well.
And internships, yes, and internships. How to be a part of Gubi Rogers community, sir? Okay, so you can get onto my Instagram profile. The website, जो website का link होगा, that is the registration form for the community. So you can get on there. All right. Thank you, Nitakshi. Thank you for that sweet message. Anything else? Anything else before we wrap up? Almost 2 hours now. And good session. Good session. We still have 94 people. So yeah, thank you to all those 94 people who have joined in. And I hope that it was what you expected and something that will definitely help you in times to come. And if it doesn't, stay connected with me. Thank you, Manya.
Yes,
thank you.
Thank you. So we would like to thank you for today's session.
Thank you.
So we would like to thank Mr. Daksh Sethi for the fruitful and knowledgeable session. We thank you for taking our time and imparting such valuable knowledge to our first year students who for sure would have gained a lot from it. We thank you once again and all of those present here with us today. Thank you. And also we request all the first year students to please stay with us after this meeting because we have some information to share. Thank you.
I hope it's not about me.
Not at all. Thank you so much, Daksha. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
Giving everybody such a knowledgeable session. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having this organized, Prapti. It's been your brainchild. You've been after my life to have this session done. So yeah, thank you to the entire team. There's one question by Ananya. Ananya, I'll just request you to drop me a message on Instagram so that I can, stay connected with you there.
And everybody present here, all the first year, second years, jo bhi abhi present hai, just go and connect with him on Instagram. He posts really good reels, very knowledgeable reels. Just go.
I did not tell Prapti to say this. But thank you, Prapti.
Yeah,
Thank you.
no problem.
All right. Take care, guys. Take care.
Thank you
All
so
the
much,
best.
sir.
All the
Thank
best.
you so
All the
much,
best.
sir.
Bye. Most welcome.
Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Take
Bye.
care. Bye.
हेलो प्राप्ति.
Yes, sir.
हाँ मैम ना आई एम लिविंग द ऑफिस तो आई एम मेकिंग
Okay.
यू अ होस्ट. ठीक है.
Okay,
आप
okay,
जब
sir.
ये खत्म हो जाए देन यू उसको मीटिंग को एंड कर देना.
Yeah, in just another 15 minutes, I'll end the meeting, sir.
हाँ आप अपने आप इसको मीटिंग को एंड कर देना.
Okay,
और
okay,
अब
okay.
अभी रिकॉर्डिंग चाहिए आपको? अब तो रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं चाहिए ना?
नहीं, मैं अभी बंद कर रही हूँ. हाँ जी,
रिकॉर्डिंग आप बंद कर दीजिए.
ठीक.
ठीक है. ओके.
Thank you.
आपने टोटल पैसा जमा करना है